easy 3 steps to achieve your goals. Number 1, choose one goal. Just one. Because we can only focus on our attention on one thing at a time. So if we dissipate our attention between different goals, we might achieve more than one, but it will definitely take longer. So decide upon one big keystone goal that will help you achieve all other things that you want to achieve. Number 2, decide upon the 5 big moves that you've got to take to get from where you are to where you want to be. So the 5 big moves that you've got to make to achieve that goal. It can be the 5 big moves over the coming month, the 5 big moves over the coming 5 months. Doesn't matter. What are the 5 humongous steps you've got to take to get there? And then dissect those steps into little steps. Number 3, do it now. Act now. If we make a decision and we do not act upon it immediately, we do not deserve to win. Thank you very much for listening and good luck on your goal achieving. Have a wonderful day and live with love and live with passion, my friends.